Hi guys, as promised I'm going to share how to fix this Lightwaverf single gang dimmer in. You can see from my switch here it's got quite a lot of wiring in it. It's got some permanent lives that are running around from switch to switch. So this is actually the permanent live, and this is the switch wire to actually switch the light on in this particular room. So what we're going to do is just connect up the two wires as I said before. The L wire on the switch is for the permanent live, and the other one here is going to be for the switch. So let's just pop those wires in. And the switch wire. Just make sure that they're right home and there's no copper showing, just for safety. Let's take a little bit off that. That's it, get it neatly home. Make sure the terminals are really nice and tight. And then we just flip the switch back over as we said. And we also have this plate. You can use this or not use it, it's entirely up to you. Basically allows it to step off the wall slightly if you've not got enough room behind the switches. But we're going to use this one on this particular switch. So let's pop that in. Like that, and it just steps it off slightly, which means we can get a nice fixing in the back box. Pop the screws in. The great thing about these switches is that you don't need a neutral. A lot of the smart home switches on the market require a neutral wire to go into the switch to power it. This replaces a regular switch, which is absolutely fantastic. I haven't got my spirit level, so I'm hoping that's fairly level. Nicky like there, just a fraction more, there we go. Hopefully it's about right. And we just pop the front plate over. Like that, just remove the plastic and just pop back on the power. What you'll see now is the light will start to calibrate, and it checks the bulbs that are in place. That's for my ensuite, so it's just calibrating at the moment. There we go, and that's it done, calibrated. If you can see my door there open, you probably can't, but I'll switch the light on like that and off again. It is working, I assure you. So that's it. Thanks for watching.